Welcome viewers to Most Asked. This is my brand new channel and I'm super excited about it, and you guys are the first people to ever view any of my videos. So this is video number 1 and we're gonna make it simple: how to tie a tie knot. Okay, I'm gonna show you the easy way because I'm not one for complicated methods. Okay, so you get yourself a tie, of course. I'm not gonna show you how to tie a bow tie because I don't know. So yeah, alright, so I got my father's expensive tie. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be using this, but okay, so easy method. You throw the tie around your neck. Okay, you got a thin side and a fat side. Alright, you take the fat side over the thin side. Okay, you place it, put it in front of your like chin, if you can see. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this fat side underneath the thin layer and over it. Okay, you can do that once. Then what you can do is you're gonna take the fat side and you're gonna wrap it around the basically knot that you've already created. You're gonna wrap it around one time, leaving this thin little tail tongue part free, so you can have access to it. You know what I mean? And then you're gonna bring this fat part up through the hoop one more time. Last time, I promise, guys. Okay. And what you've essentially done is created the knot. Okay. And you're gonna put this fat part through the outermost. You're gonna put it through the entire tie, but not through the outermost layer. So if you can see what I'm gonna do, you're gonna put it through that, like right there, and voila, the tie. Have fun, guys. And then, okay, that didn't work. Okay.